So, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. And ito na naman po yung ating panibagong video para sa araw na ito. And I hope po na matuto po kayo sa ipapakita naming solutions po sa problem number 9 po. And ang hanapin natin today is the equation of the tangent line to a curve at a given point. So let's try number 1. Y is equal to 5x to the fourth minus 2x to the third power minus 7x plus 5 at x is equal to 1. So, ito na po yung ating solution. So, ang una nating hanapin is y gamit yung ating x na 1. So, ganito na po. So, y is equal to 5 times 1 to the fourth power minus 2 times 1 to the third power minus 7 times 1 plus 5. So, solve natin yung y. 5, 1 raised to 4 is 1, minus 2, 1 raised to 3 is 1 also, 7 times 1 plus 5. So, y is equal to 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5. Then, we have 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 7 is negative 4, plus 5 is positive 1. So, the value of y when x is 1 is equal to y. So, we have the point 1 and 1. So, this is our x and this is our y. And this time, we need to find the slope of the tangent line to the curve at x is equal to 1. So, we are going to use the derivatives. So, alam niyo na po ba kung ano yung derivatives? So, continue po tayo. So, again, the equation y is equal to 5x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7x plus 5. So, let us now find the derivative. So, y prime or is equal to dy over dx is equal to 5 times derivative of x to the fourth minus 2 times derivative of x cubed minus 7 times derivative of x plus the derivative of 5. So we have 5 derivative of x to the fourth is 4x cubed minus 2 derivative of x cubed is 3x squared minus 7 derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 5 is 0. Or since it is constant, so 0 ang derivative niya. Then we have 20x cubed minus 6x squared minus 7. And using x is equal to 1, so magiging y prime is equal to 20 times 1 cubed minus 6 times 1 squared minus 7x is equal to 20 minus 6 minus 7 is equal to 7. And y prime is equal to the slope of the tangent line. So, magiging m is equal to 7. So, gagamitin natin itong m to find the equation of the tangent line. So, yung value na nakuha natin kanina, which is 7, is the slope of the tangent line. And yung ating point kanina ay 1, 1. Then, we are going to use the points law form to find the equation of the tangent line. So, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m or the slope times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, we have ito po yung ating x sub 1, y sub 1. Then, substitute po natin. Y minus 1 is equal to 7 times x, or the quantity of x minus 1. So, ano po natin? Simplify. Y minus 1. Distribute po natin yung 7 to x minus 1. So, magiging 7x minus 7. So, writing the equation in the slope point form. So, we have y is equal to 7x minus 7 plus 1. So, we have y is equal to 7x minus 6. So, this is the equation of the tangent line. Or, we can also use the slope-intercept form. So, y is equal to mx plus b. And using the slope and the point, we can now find the value of our y-intercept. So, gamitin natin yung x and y na value, which is 1 and 1. So, we have 1, and the slope of is 7 times 1 plus b. So, solving for b, we have 1 is equal to 7 plus b. 1 minus 7 is equal to b. So, 6 is equal to b, or negative 6. Then, substituting again to this slope-intercept form, so wag na po natin isama yung ating x and y, only the value of the slope and the y-intercept. So, we have y is equal to 7x minus 6, which is also the same to the equation na nakuha natin using the point slope form po. So, the same lang po sila. This is our equation 2, or the curve x squared minus 5xy plus y squared is equal to negative 5 at x is equal to 1. So, let's first find the value of y using x is equal to 1. So, magiging 1 squared minus 5 times 1 times y plus y squared is equal to negative 5. So, simplify po natin. We have 1 minus 5y plus y squared is equal to negative 5. So, writing the equation in ascending power po, we have y squared minus 5y plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. So, meron tayong 5 dito kasi negative 5, nilipat natin sa left side, naging plus 5 po siya. So, simplify po natin ulit. Y squared minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. So, meron po tayong quadratic equation. So, kailangan po natin siyang i-factor. So, ano po yung ating factors? So, ito na po. Y minus 3, y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, in this case po, yung ating values ng y ay dalawa. We have y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. And we have y minus 2 is equal to 0, so y is equal to 2. So, we have 2 points na gagamitin, 1, 3, and 1, 2. So, yan po. Next naman po, is hanapin natin yung slope. So, find po natin yung ating derivative, or the first derivative of x squared minus 5xy plus y squared is equal to negative 5. So, in this case, ang gagamitin po natin, we are going to use the implicit differentiation po. So, we have derivative of x squared is 2x. Since we have two variables, x and y, so we are going to use the product rule. So, 5 xy, x times the derivative of y is y prime plus y, derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of y squared is 2y y prime is equal to 0. So, derivative of negative 5 is 0. So, simplify po natin. We have 2x. Distribute po natin. Magkakaroon tayo ng negative 5xy prime. Negative 5 times y times 1 is negative 5y plus 2y y prime is equal to 0. Sa ilipat po natin yung ating mga values na walang y prime sa right side. So, magiging negative 5xy prime plus 2y y prime is equal to 5y minus 2x. So, kaya naging ganun po. Then, factor out natin yung y prime. We have y prime is equal to negative 5x or times the quantity negative 5x plus 2y is equal to 5y minus 2x. Then, solving for y prime, we have y prime is equal to 5y minus 2x all over 2y minus 5x. So, yan po yung ating value ng ating y prime po. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is solve natin yung ating slope gamit yung ating point na nakuha kanina na 1 and 3, 1, 3, and 1, 2 po na points. So, using 1, 3, and 1, 2. So, y prime is equal to the slope. So, yung ating kanina nakuha na value ay 5y minus 2x all over 2y minus 5x. So, using 1, 3, so, kakaroon tayo ng m is equal to 5 times 3 minus 2 times 1 all over 2 times 3 minus 5 times 1. So, we have 15 minus 2 all over 6 minus 5 is equal to 13 over 1 or 13. So, yung ating slope ng tangent line sa point 1, 3 is 13. Using 1, 2, so we have 5 times 2 minus 2 times 1 all over 2 times 2 minus 5 times 1 is equal to 10 minus 2 all over 4 minus 5. So, we have 8 all over negative 1 or negative 8 po. Next po, magkaroon po tayo ng dalawang tangent lines po. So, we have at point 1, 3, the slope is 13. And at point 1, 2, the slope is negative 8 po. So, using the points law form, so we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, we have x sub 1, y sub 1, and m is equal to 13. So, y minus 3 is equal to 13 times the quantity x minus 1. So, simplify po natin. Y minus 3 is equal to 13x minus 13 by distributive property. So, writing the equation in slope point form, we have y is equal to 13x minus 13 plus 3. So, y is equal to 13x minus 10 po. So, ayan po. So, you can check if this equation is true using the slope point form po. So, using the point 1, 2 and the slope negative 8, 8. So, we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So, using the point 1, 2, we have y minus 2 is equal to negative 8 times the quantity x minus 1. So, we have y minus 2 is equal to negative 8x plus 8. Plus na po kasi negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8. Then, we have y is equal to negative 8x plus 8 plus 2. So, we have now the equation y is equal to negative 8x plus 10 po. The same case po, pwede nyo pong i-check using the slope-intercept form po of the equation of the line po. So, thank you for watching and I hope you learned something today. Thank you po again and please like po the video po and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aming mga videos po.